Today we're going to walk through this Hill IV Modern Farmhouse. Let's go. Hi, I'm Josh. I'm a project manager with America's Home Place for the Ashland, Ohio office. Today we're going to walk through this Hill IV Modern Farmhouse. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, approximately 2,500 square feet. So keep in mind as we're walking through this house, we have a few final touches remaining, and once those are completed, we'll be handing the keys to the customer. Here we have the great room. Really great size living space here with a double window up front. Customer upgraded to a wood-burning fireplace with stone veneer and also a cedar mantle. And so here we've naturally transitioned into the dinette or the eat-in kitchen area. Very, very good sized area for a kitchen table. Would be perfect for a kid or a guest. So moving forward, we're walking into the kitchen here. So this kitchen has granite countertops, which is standard. The kitchen also has 42-inch upper cabinets and crown molding, which are beautiful details and cabinets to have. Finally, in the kitchen here, we have a 3-foot by 6-foot island. Just a great place to enjoy a meal or hang out. We'll make our way to this front room here, which can be used for many different things. It could be a dining room, a formal dining room. It could be a flex room. It could be a additional living room or a playroom for the kids. And we'll head upstairs to see all the bedrooms. The first room that we're gonna enter is the master bedroom, the owner's suite. I can't not point out how large this room is. I mean, it can fit several dressers, a large king-size bed, nightstands, and you still have plenty of room left. So we'll transition here into the master ensuite bathroom. So we have a double vanity and a lot of counter space, which is great. So this bathroom does come with a garden tub and a fiberglass shower. Really, really great master bathroom space with tons of room. We're gonna walk over to bedroom number 3. This bedroom has lots of natural light with the double window here up front, and then also has a walk-in closet. All of our houses come with walk-in closets. This bedroom has a window in it, which I think is a really nice addition. You don't see that very often. So we'll make our way down this long hallway, which I think is a really cool approach. And this is bedroom number 4, but it could also be used as a bonus room. But I really think this is a cool room because it has attic trusses, and you can see in the roof line, I believe, makes this room look really cool and stick out. And that finishes off this Hill IV Modern Farmhouse. If you want to learn more about the building process, please visit us at americashomeplace.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.